How to change appearance in Visual Studio Code. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize and manage your workspace. First of all, open the application. Here on the left top, you can see this tree line icon. Simply tap on this tree line icon and here select View. So there's a drop down. Here you'll be able to find the option called Appearance. Simply tap on Appearance. So these are the options that are available. Here you'll be able to see different bars and menu, and here you can customize the layout however you like. So it's according to the way that you want to be. So make it efficient and make it better for yourself by applying all of them, and here as you can see everything you do will customize the workspace. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.